Not the last but not the least. Oh wow, this is for the real men. This is the anaconda. Say no more. Beautiful. You are grown and sexy indeed. Nice.
What's up, you guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I started off this video with that clip of Ike walking the wrong way in his pants or boxers, or I don't know what to call that thing he was wearing, because it has been cracking me up ever since I saw him walk the wrong way. Oh my god. So yeah, let's just get into this video. So the housemates had their NIGERIan presentation today, and let me tell you guys, they absolutely killed it. I don't know how their NIGERIan presentation was last week. This is the second presentation of the season. I don't know how it was last week because I did not watch it, so I can't compare the two. But this one that I watched, they absolutely killed it. I mean, I had a whole 1 hour of rich entertainment. I'm not even joking. From the MCs to the dancers to the models that worked, they all killed it. See, let me just gist you guys. They started the wrong way with GIZDODO opening the show, and Sheyi. Afterwards, they handed over to the MC, which was white money and fraud. And oh my god, they were absolutely hilarious. I don't know who thought to pair the both of them together, but whoever came up with that idea, the person did a fantastic job, because they killed it. As in, they knocked it out of the park. I don't even know what word to use. I was so soaked in that I felt like I was actually in a real comedy and fashion show. It was so good. I know that they were throwing like subtle shades, you know, to the housemates, and I don't know if that was planned or they just came up with it on the spot. I don't know. I did not even watch their rehearsal, so I don't really know what they did in their rehearsals, you understand? So it was good. And after that, after they like try to make people laugh, and what I also liked again is that when they were doing the comedy part, they actually created real audience. You know how comedy is now. Some people will not be laughing, they won't find it funny, while some people will be laughing. They had that kind of real audience situation. Some of the housemates were laughing, some were just keeping straight faces, and the MCs too, they will be trying to make them laugh, telling them, oh, you don't want to laugh, you don't find me funny. Oh my god, it was great. After that, they introduced the dancers, and it was Alex, Tolani, Cross, T-Badge, Pere. Omo, Cross is a stepper. Alex killed it. Tolani was giving us sexy. Pere tried to, even if he cannot dance to save his life, but he really tried, to be honest. And after they finished dancing, all the ladies came out, one after the other, strutting the wrong way, looking super elegant and chic. And the biggest flex of this fashion show is the fact that every single thing they wore was handmade. They made it by themselves. I am super proud of all these ladies, and for the men that contributed, they all did a fantastic job, and all the ladies, they looked great. But my personal favorites for the night were Princess and T-Badge. Oh, they killed it. I loved their outfits. The other outfits, the other ladies they were equally good, but my personal favorites were Princess and T-Badge. So after the ladies were done strutting beautifully, the MCs, they came back on stage, cracked some more jokes here and there, threw some more shade to some housemates. Stray Bullets was just hitting people anyhow. Then they introduced the men models, and this for me is the most hilarious part. I'm talking about Ike specifically. I don't know what they were thinking when they made that thing for Ike. I can't even call it an outfit. I can't call it a boxer. I can't call it pants. I don't even know what to call it. Oh my god, Ike took me out. Like, for a moment, I forgot about almost all the other guys. I was just focused on Ike and what he was wearing. I did not see that coming at all. Oh my god. And aside from Ike, I don't want to even call it outfit. Aside from that thing he was wearing, for the rest of the guys, I wasn't really feeling their outfits, to be very honest with you guys. They did well, like their strutting and everything else. They killed it 100%. They tried with the clothes, but it wasn't just my cup of tea. I think the only person that delivered, or I can say the thing looked good, was Neo. That was the outfit he was wearing, the one that was matching with Ilibai's own. That's the one I'm talking about. I think that one, he did it a bit for me. But Cross is such a fine man. Let's not even focus on that, Sha. The couples did amazing strutting together. I think my personal favorites were Cross and Doyin. And Mary K, I don't know what Ike was posing there. I don't know what Ike was posing there, but anyway, Sha, they killed it. When they were saying shake it, when the MC were hyping, I loved when White Money say, Ike, not you, don't shake anything. Oh my god, this whole show, it was fantastic. After that, they called on the creative directors, to talk about the pieces, the work they put into it, and all of that. It was Cece, Uriel, Angel, Princess, Venita. They did amazing. And then they went into the bidding section, and for the life of me, I never knew these people were planning to bid with food. I thought they wanted to bid with their money point coins, and I was just hearing, oh, sardine, noodles. I was so confused. Oh my god, whoever wrote their script, the person did great. So after everything, the buzzer even went off. They could not even finish, although they were almost done, but they were out of time. So the buzzer went off, and Big Brother started talking to them. He gave them special recognition, asked Kidwaya to give a speech. Kidwaya talked about how proud he is of all of them, and then Big Brother gave special recognition to the people like the creative directors, the MC, White Money and Fraud, the models, everybody. And then Biggie cautioned Neo because apparently he has been turning off his transmitter and speaking in hushed tones. Him and Tolani, they are guilty as charged, so he told him not to do that again. Afterwards, he announced to them that they won their wager. They were excited, although some people were keeping straight faces for reason I do not know, but me, I was sure excited for them. I had no doubt in my mind that they were going to win. From the moment Kidwaya started, I had no doubt in my mind that they were going to win the wager. So a massive congratulations to all of the housemates for putting their best foot forward and winning their wager, and also to the head of house for not losing the wager during his reign. It would have been a very bad look. So yeah, I'm happy for all of them. And I heard that by 9 p.m. that the parrot in the house is going to be spilling some secrets. Let's wait and see what that is going to be all about. Me, I'm not holding my breath and expecting something massive, because with Big Brother, when you over anticipate, they'll just crash your expectations from 0 to 100 or 100 to 0 real quick. So I'm not over anticipating and holding my breath to see what the big secret is going to be all about, because I know how they are. So yeah, whatever it is, I'll let you guys know. I'll report to you guys in another video. And that's everything I have for you on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Share my videos, like my videos, especially, it helps a lot. I beg you, please. Thank you so much once again for watching. Let me know all your thoughts about the wager presentation in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.